This is ERICO lightning protection systems at Kotaminyak. ERICO is a worldwide manufacturer, distributor, and engineering and sales support, incorporated in 1903. Supply system reliability products to electric utility, gas utility, rail industry, mining industry, all commercial or industrial installation, market leader in grounding, bonding, lightning protection. ERICO products all about system longevity and reliability. 6-point protection plan, integrated protection solution. First, capture the lightning strike to a preferred point. Second, conduct it to ground safely. Third, dissipate energy into the earth. Fourth, bond to create an equipotential ground plane. Fifth, protect incoming power circuits. Sixth, protect incoming telephone or data circuits. Let's look at this schema and the usage of ERICO products. So for the capture the lightning strike, we can use ERITEC system 2000 active lightning protection system. 3000 or 2000. Second, safely convey energy to ground. So the lightning is being catched and then pull it to the ground. This is the third. Dissipate energy into the grounding system. Low impedance ground using flat copper radials ground enhancements material. Fourth, bond all ground points together. The fifth, protect incoming AC power feeder in the power distribution panel, similar to MCB. The sixth, protect low voltage data or telecommunication circuits. So this is an example at a refinery unit plant, how to install the grounding system. And in the control panel room, there is installed the protection for the control panel. So on here we have, this is an offshore protection plan. So we have a aircraft running light and then an enhanced attractive antenna lighting terminal. And then the grounding system, we pull it to the ocean, the water, the sea. Purpose design, insulated down conductor cut wire bonded to the peak structure. Inside the room, we have also protection. Lightning and over protection. Overvoltage protection in a typical mining. This is for mining industry. Quite similar. So on here we put the ERICO on the top of the building, and then we do the bonding, and then we ground the lightning. Lightning, a natural phenomenon. Formation a down leader, formation of small upward leaders as the electrical field intensify. Leader initiation, initially 0.7 meter long ICC photo shown. So this is the lightning, see? There's the leader here. Here's another example how the lightning strikes the tree. The risk and consequence. To minimize the consequences, it is necessary to choose lightning capture terminals, place them on the building in order to achieve the desired level of protection. We have discussed this before. Two aspects, physical hardware and method of placement. Lightning rods, air terminals to capture the strike, and the structure to achieve the desired, the hardware on the structures to achieve the desired interception efficiency or protection level. Comparison of ERITEC System 3000 and conventional. Highly reliable operation, efficient, supported by computer-aided design, Benji. Simple to install, simple to maintain, shielded down conductor, reduces risk of side flashing, cost effective. And the conventional is the reverse and expensive also. Let's look at the theory behind it. So the ERICO is active and the conventional is repulsive. So we use interceptor and they use the spline ball or the Franklin rods or the Faraday cage blunt rods. System 2000. System 2000 is a conventional system used of passive lightning rods, the oldest of the lightning protection solution by Benjamin Franklin. Used all over the world and recognized by the number standard IEC, NFPA, AS, and IEEE. Typical IEC lightning protection system. So all over here we have the hardware installed. More about the IEC approach. So on the ground we have surface and transport, foundation, earthing, electrode, equipotential bonding for heating, air conditioning, sanitation, SPD for telephone line, earth terminal system, down controller system, separation distance, SPD for AC surface and the internal. Next is the IEC standard. Part 1 is for general principle, Part 2 is for risk management, Part 3 is for physical damage. Part 4 is the electrical and electronic systems. More about the standards. We also have NFPA and UL 96. We are qualified for that. NFPA stands for National Fire Protection Association and UL is Underwriter Laboratories. 4 sources of damage. Lightning flashes to the structure, lightning flash to the surface, lightning flash to the surface, and lightning flash near to the structure. Approximate value. This is how to count which kind of protection that we want by measuring the lightning. We have to know the down leader, the step distance, the velocity, the average vessel velocity, and the striking distance, the up leader velocity, and the pulse interval. So we have the formula R is equal to 10 I. So the I is the striking distance. So and then we have the corresponding upward leader and then the downward leader. So if R is 20, then it is 3 kiloampere. 200 is 100 kiloampere. Corona, streamly, streamers, and leaders. So this kind of spike of flowers is called corona. Interception efficiency near 100% according to IEC. Next, we have the ERICO System 3000. Includes the Dynasphere Air Terminal, ERICO Down Conductor, and Collection Valve Method. Summary of NFAN, ERICO Lightning Protection and Grounding System. Lightning causes major problem for companies, including damaging buildings and critical equipment. ERICO has three main systems to protect facilities based around our 6-point protection plan. That includes electrical grounding, bonding and connectivity products, grounding, bonding, lightning protection, electrical rail connection solution for commercial, industrial, utility, rail, alternative energy and telecom, and user groups. The product range, we have the System 1000, System 2000, and System 3000. Ground rod and accessories, jam, the ground rod enhancement material, and cutwell grounding connection, jam. Recently, Pertamina Hulu Mahakam just reorder from us the material from ERICO to maintain their lightning protection system. Let's look at the ERICO experience at Kotaminyak. In year 2011, our clients is PetroChina for Penangkal, Petir, Southwest Batara, and the supply system is lightning grounding system. And then for Pertamina UPMS through Wika, relocation tanks Tanjung Priok 2012. And then the Chandra Asri project at 2015. We also serve Pertamina EP from 2015 up until now at various area in Indonesia for lightning and grounding system. And recently we have just installed the lightning protection system at Tarakan Field, Sembakung area, as you can see. This job is done by now. For further inquiry, please contact weli.sunari@kotaminyak.co.id or call me at 62542-733-522 extension 332. I'm based in Balikpapan, Kotaminyak headquarters. Thank you for listening.